ice rain into a paper cup. They slither wildly as they slip away across the universe.
Oh, we had a blue class from Engadine High School. Engadine is located in the heart of the Sutherland shire, opposite the Royal National Park.
Pools of sorrow, waves of joy, all drifting through my opened mind, possessing and caressing me.
The blue class would love to have the opportunity to test what will happen to the wattle, as we love science. We already look after the school veggie garden using the produce we grow in our cooking class, and we found out that some wattle is edible as bush tucker.
We are interested in conducting an experiment to find out if the time and space affects the colour of the flower, the strength of the tree branches. Would the flowers be bigger?
Please consider our school to be a part of this out of this world experiment.